project name is crop classification. We can use the Anaconda Navigator software. This is the main page of Anaconda Navigator software. These are the buttons. Firstly, we have to create an environment. When creating the environment, then we can install the packages or libraries for our project. When it will be successfully done, then we are going to the home page and launch the spider. When spider will be launched successfully, then it will be going to this page. We have must use this Python 3.8 version. These are the files of our project: GUI main file, login registration, GUI master old, model CNN. These are the training and testing files. So we have to run our project. This is the main page. We have to login and registration. These are the two buttons. We have, suppose someone user will be going to the login page without registration, then this person will be unauthenticated, so the login does not exist. Then firstly we have registered on our page. Here fill up the information like full name, address, email address, phone number, gender, age, username, password, and confirm password. Then registered. Here the pop-up message, are you sure? Then yes, okay, account created successfully, okay. Then it will be automatically going to the page login. Then we have to put up the information of username and password. Here the login successfully, the pop-up message will be displayed like as login successfully. Then okay, exit button works. Then we are going to run the page GUI master old. This is our main project page. Crop classification using satellite image. We have to these are the four buttons. First is select image, second one is image pre-processing, training, model, and CNN prediction. So our data set will be ready. So we have gathered the data set from Google. We have to firstly select an image from training set. Here the images, first image we can choose. The image pre-processing must be needed. Then we are going to CNN prediction button, and this page will be detected the output like the image testing completed, and this selected satellite image is desert. That means this which crop is best for the selected satellite. That means in desert or water, etc. Next one, this image we can choose image pre-processing, CNN prediction. Then it will be detected the selected images satellite image is in the green area. That means this image will be in the green area. Next one is we have to choose this image pre-processing and CNN prediction, and this image is selected image like its image is in cloudy area. Next one is this image we can choose image pre-processing, CNN prediction. Then it will be detected the selected satellite image is in water. So there is the data set. First one is training set, testing set, etc. In the training set there were four types of deserts, four types of like desert, water, cloudy area, and water area, etc. It will be shows given image is in the which best area or which best satellite will be detected. Here for front end we can use the Tkinter framework. For back end we can use the Python, and database we can use the DBSQLite 3. The main motto of our crop classification project using satellite image is will be detect the image is in the which satellite image is given in the which area is the best for this image.